Dear students, welcome to this new video. This is video number 10 based on solid state. In this video, we will learn one more important aspect, that is the crystal defects or imperfections. So we are at the end of the topic, but we have to learn very important aspect, that is the defects. So initially we will see the definition of defects: any disorder or irregularity in perfect arrangement of constituent particles in a crystalline solid is called defect. Now see, what is the definition of defect? Any disorder or irregularity or fault in perfect arrangement of the constituent particles in a crystalline solid is called a defect. Defect कशाला म्हणतात पहा. क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर तयार होत असताना एखाद्या क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचं त्याच्यामध्ये जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आहेत, ज्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स पासनं तो क्रिस्टल तयार झालेला आहे, त्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकलच्या अरेंजमेंटमध्ये एखादा फॉल्ट, डिसऑर्डर, इरेग्युलॅरिटी, डिपार्चर तयार होणं किंवा असणं की ज्यामुळं आपल्याला परफेक्ट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्सची मिळत नाही आणि एक परफेक्ट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड त्या ठिकाणी तयार होत नाही, त्याला डिफेक्ट म्हणतात किंवा इम्परफेक्शन म्हणतात. लेट अस सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस. सो द रियल or naturally occurring crystalline substances do not have perfect crystal structures. So what is that? The real or naturally occurring crystalline substances do not have perfect crystal structures. They have some disorders or irregularities in the stacking of atoms. आता आपल्याला माहित आहे सोडियम क्लोराइड NaCl है ना, तर आपल्याला त्याचे क्रिस्टल्स स्फटिक समुद्रामधनं मिळतात आपल्याला. तर अशा पद्धतीनं किंवा शुगरचे क्रिस्टल्स असतील तर नॅचरली किंवा रिअली ऑकरिंग क्रिस्टल्स जे आहेत पदार्थाचे, सो दे नेवर परफेक्ट वन. मग ते परफेक्ट का नसतात? सो देर इज सम फॉल्ट और डिसऑर्डर और irregularity in the arrangement of the constituent particles, means the stacking of atoms do not occurs perfectly, and that's why the faults are produced. So these are called as the defects. यांना आपण defects म्हणतो किंवा imperfections म्हणतो. So in this case see, so why these defects are produced? नॅचरली किंवा रिअली ऑकरिंग क्रिस्टल्समध्ये हे डिफेक्ट्स का तयार होतात? सो डिफेक्ट्स आर क्रिएटेड ड्युरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन. पहा, दिस डिफेक्ट्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड और क्रिएटेड ड्युरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन. क्रिस्टलायझेशन, that is the process of formation of crystals. That is the process of formation of crystals. So तेव्हा नॅचरल क्रिस्टलायझेशन होत असतं, तर त्या प्रोसेसमध्ये जे क्रिस्टल्स तयार होतात, तर मग ही क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस कशा पद्धतीनं होते त्याच्यावरती अवलंबून असतं की हे डिफेक्ट्स त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतात. मग द डिफेक्ट्स आर मोर इफ द क्रिस्टलायझेशन ऑकर्स फास्ट. पहा, जर क्रिस्टलायझेशन फार फास्ट होत असेल तर डिफेक्ट्स जास्त होतात, अँड इफ द क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस ऑकर्स स्लो, डिफेक्ट्स आर लेस. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट, in order to minimize the defects in the crystal structure, the process of crystallization should be takes place with slow rate. So by minimizing the rate of crystallization, so the defects can be avoided. So furthermore, at zero temperature, ideal crystals with no defects can be obtained. So this is very important. So if the temperature is maintained zero, so at 0 degree centigrade it is possible to obtain the 100% pure crystals. 100% pure crystals. So that is, what is the condition for that? At 0 degree centigrade temperature only this is possible to obtain the ideal crystals. Paha, in case of laboratory, so we will obtain the pure crystals. So any naturally occurring crystalline substance or the substances which are prepared in the laboratory, synthesized in the laboratory, so they are in the crude stage. So in order to purify these substances, the process of recrystallization is carried out, or in that case by recrystallization we can purify these crude substances and we will get the 100% pure substances. So this can be done only at the, if the process is carried out at 0 degree temperature. Then see, it is important that whatever may be the nature of crystal defects, कुठल्याही प्रकारचे crystal defects असू द्यात, the electrical neutrality of the solid is maintained there. The electrical neutrality of the solid is maintained there means what? कुठल्याही प्रकारचे डिफेक्ट्स असतील त्यांच्यामध्ये ॲटम्स असतील किंवा केटायॉन्स एनायॉन्स असतील, so these are balanced and that's why the electrical neutrality is always maintained. Whatever may be the nature of the crystal, the electrical neutrality is maintained there. One more additional point, that sometimes defects are purposely created for inducing desired properties in the crystalline solid. आता आपण पुढे पाहणार आहोत. So in order to manipulate or in order to induce some desired properties in that particular crystalline solid, these defects are purposely or intentionally created or produced. That is also the important point. Then we have to learn the types of defects. So see, there are three types of defects: point defect, line defect and plane defect. So we have only the study of point defects for our syllabus. So what are the point defects? When faults or disorders produced in the arrangement of a lattice points in crystalline solids are called point defect. Now see, what are the point defects? So any disorder or fault or irregularity in the arrangement of the basis of the lattice points. Basis of the lattice points, we know that the constituent particles are stacked in a crystalline solid. So depending upon the basis of crystal lattice, मेन मूलभूत असं बेसिस काय आहे, ढाचा आपल्याला माहिती आहे त्या क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचा काय आहे, स्केलेटन काय आहे. So the constituent particles are the atoms, molecules, ions. So they are arranged in a definite or regular arrangement. So if there is a fault in the arrangement of these lattice points or constituent particles, so that is called as the point defect. पहा, हे जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स, ॲटम्स, मॉलिक्युल्स, आयॉन ज्यापासून क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड तयार झालेलं आहे त्यांच्या या लॅटिस पॉइंट्समध्ये म्हणजेच कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्समध्ये त्याच्या बेसिसमध्ये फॉल्ट असणं म्हणजे याला पॉइंट डिफेक्ट म्हणतो आपण. सो वी हॅव टू लर्न द पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स अँड देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स. दॅट इज द स्टोइचियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट्स, impurity defects and non-stoichiometric defects. So in this video, we have to study the stoichiometric defects, or again there are four types of stoichiometric defects. So in this video, we have to learn first two types. See, stoichiometric point defect. So stoichiometric defects. So this is the one of the type of point defects. So in this case, the stoichiometry is maintained even after defect. पहा, आपल्याला पॉइंट डिफेक्टची स्टडी आहे. पॉइंट डिफेक्टचे तीन मेन टाइप्स आहेत. स्टोइचोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स, देन नॉन स्टोइचोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट्स, and third one impurity defects. So initially we have to learn the stoichiometric point defects. So in this case, what is meant by stoichiometric point defects? So the stoichiometry is maintained even after defect in the crystalline solid. So what is meant by stoichiometry? We know chemical formula of a compound shows fixed ratio of number of atoms or number of cations and anions. Stoichiometry means what? A chemical formula of a particular compound represents what? That is the ratio of number of atoms or the ratio of number of cations and anions which are present in that compound. So this fixed ratio is the stoichiometry of the compound. त्याला आपण stoichiometry म्हणतो. The ratio of number of atoms or cations and anions of compound remains same as represented by the chemical formula even after defect. So what are the stoichiometric point defects? The stoichiometry of the compound remains same, unchanged even after the defect. पहा, स्टोइचोमेट्री बदलत नाही, म्हणून यांना स्टोइचोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स असं म्हटलेलं आहे. सो सी हियर, सो स्टोइचोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट्स आर ऑफ फोर टाइप्स. स्टोइचोमेट्रिक डिफेक्टच्या परत चार टाइप्स आहेत. व्हॅकन्सी डिफेक्ट, सेल्फ इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट, स्कॉटकी डिफेक्ट and Frankel defect. In this video, we will learn first two, vacancy and self-interstitial defect. See, so vacancy defect. So see, this is the simple type of stoichiometric defect. During crystallization of a solid, a particle is missing from its regular site in the crystal lattice. During the process of crystallization, what happens? A particle or some particles missing from their site, original site in the crystal lattice. Thus missing particle creates a vacancy in the lattice structure. Thus some of the lattice sites are vacant. The vacancy defect can also be developed when the substance is heated. So what happens? During the process of crystallization, some of the particles from their original site are, that is, removed or missing, and that's why a vacancy is produced there. So such a vacancy, so this is shown in the diagram. So particles missing from their original site and a vacancy is produced. Sometimes the vacancy is also produced at the time of heating the substance during the process of crystallization here. So due to vacancy defect, what happens? Now see effects of the defect. So in case of vacancy defect, due to vacancy defect, what happens? Mass of the substance decreases as the number of particles less. काही particles त्या ठिकाणी मिस होतात, काही ठिकाणी तिथे पार्टिकल्स मिस झाल्यामुळं व्हाईड्स किंवा एम्प्टी स्पेसेस तयार होतात है, किंवा व्हॅकन्सी तयार होते, म्हणून याला आपण व्हॅकन्सी डिफेक्ट म्हणतो. आणि मग व्हॅकन्सी डिफेक्ट झाल्यामुळं काय होतं? तयार मास ऑफ द सबस्टन्स डिक्रीजेस. पार्टिकल्स कमी झाल्यामुळे मास ऑफ द सबस्टन्स डिक्रीजेस, बट व्हॉल्यूम रिमेन्स अनचेंज अँड देअरफॉर डेन्सिटी डिक्रीजेस. कारण मास अपॉन व्हॉल्यूम रेशिओ इज द डेन्सिटी है. मास कमी होतं, व्हॉल्यूम अनचेंज राहते आणि म्हणून डेन्सिटी कमी होते. सो वी हॅव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स की व्हॅकन्सी डिफेक्टमध्ये काय होतं है ना. दॅट इज व्हॉट some particles are removed from their original sites. So that's why the mass decreases, volume remains same, and density decreases in case of vacancy defect. So non-ionic solids shows such type of defects, vacancy defects. Okay, then second one, self-interstitial defect in elemental solids. See, second type of the stoichiometric point defect, the self-interstitial defect, interstitial defect in elemental solids. So when some particles of a crystalline elemental solid occupy interstitial sites in the crystal structure, it is called self-interstitial defect. See, try to understand. What are the interstitial or self-interstitial defects? When some particles of a crystalline elemental solids. So again, these defects are observed in non-ionic compounds, especially elemental solids, की जे सॉलिड्स त्यांच्या एलिमेंटल फॉर्म मध्ये असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नोबल गॅसेस, ऑर्गॉन असेल, क्रिप्टॉन, झेनॉन, रेडॉन वगैरे वगैरे एलिमेंटल फॉर्म मध्ये त्यांच्या है. व्हेन सम पार्टिकल्स ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन एलिमेंटल सॉलिड ऑक्युपाय इंटरस्टिशियल साइट्स इन द क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट. इंटरस्टिशियल साइट्स, interstitial sites means nothing but the space or empty space or the voids in between the particles in the crystal lattice are called interstitial sites. आपल्याला माहित आहे. So if there is a empty space or void or always some empty spaces or voids are there. So if these some particles or extra particles are present at such sites. So actually there are two ways. These defects occurs in two ways. Interstitial defect observed or occurs in two ways. In first, an extra particle occupies in an empty interstitial space. Interstitial space, the empty space or void which is present between the particles, some extra particles which are similar to that of the original particles, constituent particles. So they are present at these voids or empty spaces. One of the way of interstitial defect, some additional extra particles are present at the vacant sites. At the vacant site means what? That is void spaces. At the void spaces or empty spaces. So see here, an extra particle occupies an empty interstitial space in crystal structure like this or like this. So what happens? Consequences of this defect, mass of substance increases. Due to the availability of this extra particle, presence of extra particle, the mass of substance increases. Vacancy defect च्या उलट होतं इथे पहिल्या प्रकारामध्ये. Mass of substance increases, volume is unchanged, and that's why density increases. So we have to remember this. So what happens? What happens in case of the interstitial defect? Density increases. Remember. Okay. Then second way, in an elemental solid, a particle is shifted or moved from its original lattice point and occupies an interstitial space. आता दुसऱ्या पद्धतीनं परत इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट होऊ शकतो. काय होतं? सम ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम देअर ओरिजिनल साइट मूव्ड टू द अदर प्लेस. हियर look at this diagram. See here. So what happens there? Some particles from their original site move towards the empty or void space, and that's why a vacancy also produced there and interstitial effect also occurs. So actually this is the combination of, so this is a combination of vacancy and interstitial defects. So this is the second way. दुसऱ्या प्रकारामध्ये काय होतं? So why this is called as self interstitial defect? सेल्फ इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट्स का म्हटलेलं आहे. सेम टाईपचे पार्टिकल्स एकतर ॲड होतात किंवा मग त्याच टाईपचे पार्टिकल्स दुसऱ्या प्रकारामध्ये एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागेवर मूव्ह होतात. याच्यामुळे या ठिकाणी व्हॅकन्सी तयार होते आणि दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी इंटरस्टिशियल पोझिशनला ॲटम मूव्ह करतो. तर अशा पद्धतीनं हा दुसरा प्रकार आहे. सो नॉन आयोनिक एलिमेंटल सॉलिड्स सच एज नोबल गॅसेस shows this effect. So in this case density remains unchanged. पार्टिकल्स ॲड होतात का याच्यात? नाही. एका साईटवरून दुसऱ्या साईटवर फक्त मूव्ह होतात, म्हणून डेन्सिटी इज रिमेन्स अनचेंज. सो दॅट इज वॉट वी हॅव टू रिमेंबर हिअर. सो इन दिस व्हिडिओ what we will learn, that is first the definition of defect, Then types of defect, in which point defect. In case of point defect, the stoichiometric defects. Out of 4 types we have studied here, 2 types, the vacancy defect and self-interstitial defect. The remaining types are also depends upon these, and that's why. So we will learn all that aspects in the next video. So we'll stop here. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, then we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.